labor's free.
So we just got the Bronco up on the lift, looking at the rear end. We've established it's definitely going to need some work on the rear suspension and getting new body lift brackets put in. The one here on the right side is rotted through the cab. So we're just talking about how we want to fix that. You can see here, this one's a little bit crusty up there. And then the front one's not as bad, but we're definitely gonna have to, cut this stuff out and weld some new ones in. The radius arm on this side is broke. So we're gonna pull those off and then work on the front suspension. But this side, everything's gonna have to be cut off and redone. And then when we do like the fenders and stuff, we'll clean up the body lines where we can put that wide body kit on there. Still shopping that out. We're either gonna do a Fiberworks kit or McNeil Racing. But this is underneath the Bronco. And then we're gonna pull the body and clean up the frame. We have some patchwork we'll need to do. It's got 170,000 miles on her, out on the East Coast in the Rust Belt. Then we'll redo all this exhaust and get rid of all of that stuff. This one did not break. But this one did. You can see it broke right there. Let us know what you think. Of this Facebook Market find. Yeah, a little rusty. Gonna have to redo the tailgate. You can see there it needs done. New springs. So with all this custom suspension, we might as well just take that stuff out and start from fresh.